Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. In this video, I'd like to do some cleaning up. So in this file over here in the loading view controller, notice that I'm checking to see whether the user is logged in by checking the current user. So previously I've mentioned that ideally I would like to have all the authentication logic be kept only in the auth manager. So ideally we don't want to have the Firebase auth importing in the view controllers. So I'd like to remove this right now. And I'm going to create a function in the auth manager to check if the user is logged in. So what I can do is that I can come over here and I notice that this is a public LED. So I just want to make this private because I don't think we need the view controllers to access this auth over here. So at the bottom, I think I want to create another function here. Okay, and this function will say that is user logged in, and this will return a bool. Okay, so I am going to paste this logic inside over here. So return this over here. So I'm going to do it like that. And then what I can do is I can come back to the loading view controller and create the instance of the auth manager over here, private LED auth manager equals to auth manager, and then I can do it this way instead. So I can do if auth manager dot is user logged in. I think this should work as well. Alright, so let's look at the rest of the other view controllers, and let me see if there's anything else I can clean up. So in this settings view controller, I don't think I need this Firebase auth anymore because I have the auth manager to take care of all the functionality and all the logic for me. So on the onboarding view controller, I don't think we really touched this in the bonus series. In the login view controller, I believe I can also remove this import statement at the top. So let me just remove this and let me build the project to ensure that it is still working. Nothing is breaking now. And in the home view controller, because I have this email that I'm getting from the current user, so I'm just going to leave this here, this import statement over here. But ideally and typically you probably won't be doing this in a production app itself. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much that I have. What else? Maybe there are some lines that I can remove to make the code look cleaner. And I think that's pretty much it. Maybe let me just make a space over here. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in this journey. I think I have come to the end of the bonus series. There might be more bonus videos in the future, who knows? I will probably do some of these videos if, let's say, there are requests from the students. So if you have anything that you would like me to add, please just ping me or just leave it in the Q&A, and if there is a good demand of this request, I will do these bonus videos for you guys. Alright guys, thanks once again for joining me in this journey, and I really hope that you benefited from this. And you know, as an instructor, the one thing that I really want to do is to create value to all my students. And if you have reached this end, you have reached this point of this tutorial, I hope that you can consider leaving a review, that a rating and a review that you think that this course deserves. And again, I wish you all the best and all the success in your developer's journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video or in the next course. Alright, see you guys and good luck.